Today was the opening day of turkey season. While setting up my final game cam, I heard a shotgun fire 2 times on the mountain behind me. The person might have shot a turkey. A few seconds after the shots, the guy let out a whoopee. My guess is he was happy that he killed a turkey. About 3 to 5 minutes after the guy yelled, there was an odd sound on my side of the mountain. I can only describe it as an owl coyote. It started out and I thought it was an owl, but then it changed during the howl to a coyote sound. I've not had any howls in this area before. I'm not sure what it was. I did not catch the sound, but I did talk about it. Here is my reaction.
I just heard an unusual howl. It sounded like a cross, believe it or not, between a coyote and a hoot owl. I'm going to let the camera run just a little bit in hopes of picking it back up. Whoop! That was me done the whoop. Now, a while ago, there's a road that goes across the mountain behind me. Somebody shot 2 or 3 times, and then a few minutes later let out a big old woohoo scream. And then about 3 to 5 minutes later, there was that strange sound in behind us here, or in behind me I should say, up on this mountain, and I know there's nothing back through the other side of the mountain. And like I say, it sounded like a cross between a coyote and a hoot owl. It just did it one time. It hasn't done it anymore. Wow, I don't know. I just hear birds and stuff now. But see, it's kind of late too. I wouldn't think it would have been a hoot owl. It's, I guess it's probably 10 or 11 o'clock. That's probably not. That's probably about 10 o'clock. Well, I'm going to try to ease up. I've been sitting here a few minutes. I'm going to try to ease up, so. I wonder what that was.